guys, today is another day, another vlog. And today mga palangga, nakabihis tayo today. And nakabihis tayo mga palangga dahil aalis tayo. Today I'm using a sunscreen. So I'm using a Bello Dewy Essence Sunscreen. Kasi sobrang mainit sa labas. So ito lang yung ginagamit ko pag aalis. And exposed tayo sa sun. And I don't need anything on my face like putting any foundation, but only sunscreen. Yan. So anyway, alis kami ni Happy today. And wala naman tayong so much na gagawin today kasi bukas tatapusin ko lang yung mga hindi ko pa nalaban na mga damit. Bukas na. So, since mainit today and then nilang araw din na umuulan, every day is rainy day. And thank you so much guys for watching all my last videos that I uploaded. And hopefully you're still watching and support me. Na-appreciate ko yun. Yan. So I'm done. Yan lang. Dito din sa leeg. Hindi na kami nagluto dito sa bahay. Kakain na lang kami sa labas. And still, yan, beautiful. Ito lang yung ating ka-sunscreen tayo. So, this is simple. I'm just simple today. And tara, kasi si Habi, tinawag na ako ng aking asawa. At saka, para makauwi din kami ng early. Since si Happy ayaw niya mag-drive ng late at night. So, let's go. Here we go! We're here na at the mall. Yeah, we still have milk. And Milo, I guess. Yeah. Evaporada. So, we're here today at the mall. We're gonna get groceries today. Yeah. And get some dishwashing soap here. They don't, but they have the spray.
No good.
Yeah, I know they don't. They don't have. They're looking for the dishwashing soap, so they don't have here right now. How's our spray right now?
I'm going to get 2 bugs for my mosquitoes.
Right. 2 bug spray.
Yeah, mosquito spray for my. I use them. I want to replace them.
Yeah. Kunti lang yung gino-grocery namin kasi yung iba,
I don't think
they
this
don't
is
have.
the right aisle.
I don't. Yeah, this is the right aisle.
Okay.
And we're looking for peppers, but they don't have, so we're going to another mall, right? So here's the spray you're looking for.
I don't see
But
it.
we need more of this, right?
Yeah, but I don't see the other. Yeah, we can get that.
What happened here? Is this empty?
They get a better one.
Oh, where's the anuhan? There's no sale for this spray.
Look around.
I guess not.
Where's mine? Oh, I'm in the wrong place.
Here.
Back here.
You
They're out.
I think they're out. Oh, don't worry, we still have a lot.
Yeah,
I think
I
we-
know that, but
We're looking for the for bygone, yung naka-sale, they don't have. Kasi last time naka-sale kami mga patat. Now they don't have. Kasi yung
That's when you don't have any money, you buy that. Holy moly, that's not enough to kill 2 bugs. 1 bug for you. You'd chase that bug around the can and be gone.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not grab any spray, babe.
Why?
No sale, man. Why not we go
Look
there?
at 'em, man.
Yeah. To save more. Tingin-tingin kami ng na... Huli ka! Dito ng deodorant hobby. Baka meron sila dito. Tingnan natin kung meron sila. No, they don't have deodorant. Saan ba to? I think they keep on moving. Wala pa. Saan na ba yun? They keep moving their stuff in here. Ito lang yung mga deodorant here, mga palangga that they don't have. Nangyari sa aking face today. Yan, maganda pa rin tayo.
That's that girl there.
They have deodorant here but they don't have. No? I guess. Maybe. Yan ang mga brought dari na deodorant. Very
Yeah, I knew they moved
here.
it.
Thank you. Kung nga nga tayo yung deodorant lang. Here? That's
Yeah,
the
down
only
this
one.
aisle.
This is all shampoo. This is the only one they got.
What? No, they got a bunch somewhere. There you go. You found it.
Yeah, but this is Gillette for shave gel. You like the gel, right?
No, yeah, but right now I have that. I haven't even opened it yet.
Naubos na yung ko. For moisturizer.
This is the wrong place.
This is the detergents that I have the lotion. Yung malaki. Naubos na tayo mga pinangga. So, let's try. Hinanap kasi ni Madi yung kanyang broth na deodorant. Hindi namin makita. Maybe they're out of stock. I think out of stock na yung ano nila. My goodness. This is all shampoo.
On both sides?
Yes, both sides are all shampoo.
We found it here before. I don't
And then
remember
this
where.
one here. Cologne. Deodorant here too for women. Here's also for men. Here. Honey, here.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Okay, let's the boot.
Okay. So this is
Yeah,
all
that's it, it's
the deodorant. I think you don't they
They're
don't have
gone?
they're
Oh,
gone.
Remember how much they had? They had
Yeah.
a whole bunch.
Here are the brute, but this is spray. They don't have dong ano talaga ganito oh. They're gone. It's gone. Na tayo magawa. Meron din. Wala naman dito. Ano to?
They're just missing it somewhere. It's somewhere.
I think I keep arranging.
They
T3
drive me
conditioner.
crazy. That's not what
Not sure.
I'm trying to do.
Down. A lot of T3. But, parang wala yung hinahanap ng hobby na deodorant. They don't have, so let's go. Alright.
Still looking for nutritional use too.
I think the spray, try to go there to the, right now to the other mall. We're gonna look for the spray maybe we may have.
They don't have much to say more. I'm telling you. This is very low grade SM.
They got Palmolive only, they don't have the dog.
No more Dawn anywhere.
They're gone. Oh, naghanap kami ng nutritional yeast ni Hubby. Tapos wala. Hindi ko
It
alam.
also comes in a round thing. That's what I'm using now.
Yeah, but right now, they don't have the nutritional yeast on the pack. I don't know why. Their stuff is gone.
Because they keep moving stuff around.
Yeah. That's why.
This is all drinks.
Yeah, this is all drinks, water. I guess you have to go there to the other side. Yeah, we have to go there. The place they used to cook here, maybe. Oh, here. Mga baking. Yeah, that one. That way. This way. Sorry. Okay. Saan na yun?
You already came down here.
Yeah, we tried here.
Uh-huh.
Maybe they have. No?
I didn't see it.
Right.
Yeah, we already looked at it. And I thought maybe one of those trees was
Permission lang
it's
ito.
all Parmesan.
Yeah.
And when I asked them, they said they don't have that.
They don't have it.
I asked if they have Parmesan cheese. They said no.
Here?
Yeah, down this
Their stuff is gone.
because they keep moving stuff around.
Yeah. So dito na kami sa bahay ngayon. Ano eh? Yan. Na pala kami ngayon sa bahay. Sobrang maulan. Then, doon sa paglabas namin ng mall, sobrang ulan. Tapos, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, no? Then, saan ba yung binili namin? Ayan, kunti lang yung binili namin mga palangga. Ayan, kumukulog na. Kasi sobrang maulan. Then papunta dito sa bahay, wala siyang ulan. So doon lang yung, grabe yung ulan doon sa my mall. Bili ako ng Pringles, salt and vinegar. Na Pringles, itry natin to dahil ibang flavor na naman to mga palangga. Merong original, salt and vinegar, merong sour cream ng mga flavor ng Pringles. Ito, bago ito. And then today, ayan, dalawa yung binili natin. Saka, bumili din tayo ng Energen. Then, Energen. Kasi pag ayaw natin kumain ng rice, then we have Energen. Kasi meron na siyang oatmeal. Then, ayan, bumili din kami ng vanilla extract. Ayan na. Yun yung binili namin mga palangga. Tapos yung berries, nilagay na natin sa freezer kasi nag-start na siyang to. Then, kailangan siyang i-freeze. Kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa freezer bago siya masira. So, anyway, bumili tayo ng bread. Pumunta din kami ng Save More. Pero, kasi meron siyang Save More doon sa may other mall na City Mall, yung pangalan. Pumunta lang kasi kami ng mall ng Gaisano. Then, pumunta kami ng City Mall at meron silang Save More doon. Then, bumili tayo ng turon. Kasi gusto ko, na-miss ko tong turon mga palangga. Sobrang laki ng turon, oh. Very nice. Kainin natin ito mamaya. So, konti lang yung binili natin. Bumili tayo ng, ano ba ito? Dito sa isang cellophane. Oh, bumili ako ng Downy. Ayan, bumili tayo ng Downy. Mga palangga, we did not even bought this one, the peppers. Like red, yellow, and green kasi they don't have peppers there. And it's really, really hard to find those peppers. And then they don't have delivery. And ano pa tong binili natin? Wala na, ito lang, tsaka yung bread. Kasi meron tayong burger patty at gagawa tayo ng burger. So, ayan. Diba? Ano na. Buti na hindi siya na-open. So, ito yung binili namin. Ba't kami pumunta ng mall kasi mag-grocery kami ng peppers. And, of course, the rest of the veggie. And we didn't even find those. And they were going to go to the other mall again. we went to the Save More, yung small supermarket nila doon sa SM. And but since they don't have available mga palangga, wala tayong magawa. So, bumili na lang kami ng konting grocery. At saka yung baygon, binili ko na lang tong baygon natin mga palangga kasi kailangan natin yan to spray all the mosquitoes and you know. So, that's it mga palangga. Magluto muna ako ng dinner dahil hindi kami kumain doon sa mall kasi it's, as I said to you guys, that it's really hard to drive at night. Pag gabi na, mahirap na si Happy mag-drive. So, anyway, yun lang. Sobrang, ang ating mga doggy, what happened to our doggy? Sleepy na. Kumain na rin yung ating mga dog kasi nagluto na yung aking asawa din ng beef bones. So, they really love to eat some beef. So, yun lang. Yung pinag-grocery na, konting grocery lang tayo. Then, nilutuin ko ngayon. Siguro, I'm going to cook. Gusto ko magsabaw. I want to eat chicken soup. Gusto kong mag-soup today. Then, I have also a little bit of snack of turon. I love turon. Buti na lang, meron silang Save More doon sa mall, sa City Mall. Then, it's also yung Save More is from SM2. Yun lang yung supermarket nila doon. Very small. Pero hindi na kami pumunta ng malaking SM. Kasi we're heading north, not south. So, hindi na kami pumunta ng SM Mall. Dito na lang kami malapit sa may City Mall. Kasi just around 30 minutes to drive. Then if you're going to south, it's like 1 hour. Around 1 hour to travel to go to SM. So we went to the north for groceries. So anyway, guys, so magluto na tayo ng dinner. Still have a lot of rice and I'm not gonna cook some rice. So since that's our dinner. And today, I'm gonna cook chicken soup tomorrow and today, mas madali siyang lutuin, mag-chicken adobo na lang tayo. Kasi mas madali siyang lutuin kumpara dun sa soup. Kailangan ko pang, I have to get some malunggay and today I'm tired na. So much better magluto na lang tayo ng chicken adobo para mas madali siya. Madali siyang lutuin. And yeah, I'm gonna arrange all of this. Ilagay ko muna to siya sa lagayan yung ating yung ating mga grocery natin. Kailangan ko lang siyang i-arrange sa yung mga cellophane. Ayan. And yeah, that's it. At then magbihis na rin ako.
The next morning.
Here, David Salon. David Salon. Wait. Okay. David Salon. Okay. Ito na tayo. Pagupit tayo ng hair. Isang haba na. Ayan, nag-shampoo daw muna tayo. Shampoo day. Mag-shampoo muna. Ha? Dili nga tira. Pagupit tayo muna ngayon. I wash my hairs. Okay ra. Ayan. Kasi ang haba na ng hair natin. Mag-haircut tayo ngayon. Favorite shampoo. Shampoo in our hair. Shampooing first. Si Habi, wala dito si Habi ngayon. Nasa kabilang ano siya ngayon. So ako muna. So they wash my hair. Dana mag-shampoo. Then, after that, they put conditioner. After conditioner, they wash and then ready to sit on. Yan. Thank you. Nahulog yung ano natin. Nahulog yung ano natin para sa ating mic. Yan, tapos na tayo. Wala nga pala si Hobby today. Hobby, andun sa ano si Hobby ngayon sa kabila. So, wait lang ha. Alright. Okay. Gagamit ko dito. Pera. Dili, pera. Alright. I have to dry my hair first before they cut. So, ako lang mag-isa. Kailangan na natin haircut kasi ang haba na ng hair natin. You wanna see my hair? Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung hair ko mamaya. So, this is my hair. To comb my hair. So, ayan. Haba na ng hair natin, no? So, ipa-video natin to yung ating hair para makita nyo kung ano kahaba yung hair ko. Yan. Then, the hair. So, kailang goodbye to our long hair na. So, kailangan na natin to siyang pagupitan. Kasi, ang haba na. Alright. So, ayan pala yung aking hair, no? Ang haba na, no? Goodbye to our long hair. Kasi ang haba na talaga ng long hair natin. Nakakain, you know? Sobrang haba na talaga. Goodbye na talaga sa ating long hair. Actually, kakaano ko lang to. Kakagupit ko lang to. Okay. Hello. Ang bilis. Mama. Kailan ba ako nagpagupit?
Last year ata yun. Tama nga.
Last year ba yun? Parang last year ata siguro yun.
Mga tuwi tayo nila.
Oo, this January, December. Parang start na mag-cut. Yan na. Nagpagupit tayo mga last year. Hindi ko na maalala kung when. Pero nagpagupit tayo last December, January. Tapos ganito nakahaba yung hair ko. Hindi ka dito nakahaba yung hair. So, kailangan natin magpagupit kasi magupitan natin para maganda tayo. Mag-move on. Mag-move on. Mag-move on. Mag-move on daw. Mag-move on tayo kasi stress tayo. So last time, siya pa rin yung nagupit sa akin. So today, siya na naman yung nagupit. Kung sino yung hairstylist natin. Yeah. Kung sino yung hairstylist natin dapat. Same. Huwag tayong papalit-palit. Huwag papalit-palit na ano.
Ano ma'am? Maganda yun sa inyo ma'am, medyo kapal-kapal. Nilagyan ko ng parting patches.
Mm,
Magbaga siya yung style.
alright. Mm-mm. Ma-shock talaga tong aking asawa. Mhm. Mhm. Sabi ko, sa kilikili lang, hanggang kilikili. Huwag muna daw ano, huwag putulan ng mahaba. Mm.
Last one siya.
Mm-mm.
Super change. Yun na panahon mo.
Init na yung panahon. Sabi siya, 2 inch only. Sabi niya, 2 inch only.
So, pag-bursa na ako ni, mas after blower, that's not it.
Okay. Kasi ayaw niya ng ano, ng small hair. Kasi mahaba-haba yung hair natin. Hindi pwede yung ano, liit na yung hair. Last time kasi hanggang lieg lang yung ano. Alright. Fresh na ligo. Pero maganda pa rin. Di ba? Yan. Blower, blower. Blower natin yung hair. May bangs. May pa-bangs-bangs talaga. Hindi ko masyano sa bangs. Nag-bangs lang ako nung maliit pa ako. Yan. Kasi ang init ang panahon, kailangan natin magpa-haircut. I think sobrang nipis na ng hair ko. Ayan, maganda pa rin. Maganda pa rin tayo. Mag-move on. Yung hair talaga yung anong natin mga palangga. Bakit? Sana alam ni Habi to dito. Kasi punta pa kami ngayon ng pagkatapos ko dito, magpunta pa kami ng dito sa Ace Hardware. Baka meron silang box at mabili tayo ng box. Container box. Bibili tayo. Yan. Haircut lang muna tayo. Lang riban-riban ngayon kasi yung hair natin hindi naman kulot. Hindi naman kulot yung ating hair. Yung aking asawa, sana nalampas na. Yung red, sana yun. Ano na? Parang, nakapula yan siya. Pumunta na siya sa, alright. Okay. Slide and slide too. Alright, okay na. Lower again. Sabi din ko, yung kulit-kulit itong ano sobrang kulit ha. Ha? Ito. Sa gitna, oo. Ayan, yung hairline natin nasa gitna. Yan, akala ko na ano na si Habi. Akala ko nalampas na siya. Pumunta pala siya sa Ace Hardware. Sana nagtingin siya doon ng container box. Kasi sabi ko, punta kami doon sa department store. Yan. Okay. Close my eyes. Kasi ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Diba? You got treatment. Scalp treatment.
Ito. Purifying shampoo, then purifying gel. Yung gel na ito, ginagawa siya ginagawa. Yan naman.
So, ngayong Sunday, meron silang 50% off for treatment.